This is the Ozpig Big Pig Chargrill plate, an awesome addition to your Ozpig Big Pig. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Stones here today with the Ozpig Big Pig Chargrill plate. This is an addition or an additional accessory for your Ozpig Big Pig that sits on top so you can flame grill burgers, meats, or whatever you like to cook. Weighs about 1.7 kilos, about 26.5 centimeters length, about 24 centimeters this way, and is made of a cast iron steel, and it fits really easily on top of the Big Pig by firstly removing this plate that came with your Big Pig. So this whole thing comes off and gets put aside, and then the Chargrill plate sits on top here with these notches facing downwards. They line up with these little notches on the side here, and this edge here sits inside this little sort of cutout here. So when it sits on top there, it can't slide off. It's kind of locked into place. So that's now a Chargrill plate sitting over the fire that would be burning away inside here. It is open on this side. You can add a second one on the other side here. They just flip around and are interchangeable, so you can have a full grill plate on the top there if you like, so you can get that nice smoky flavour through your sausages, burgers, steaks, whatever you want to cook on top of the fire here. Now maintenance of this is pretty straightforward. It is cast iron, so you don't want to drop it. Dropping cast iron can cause it to crack, and you also don't want to heat it up too quickly. So if your flame is really roaring inside there, don't drop it on there too quickly. Maybe wait for the flame to die down a little bit. And you can also use the little tool that Ozpig provide with the Big Pig there to lift this up if you like. It's just got a little hook on there, so you can hook it in there, lift it up to take it off while it's hot. And one last thing about maintenance, when you cook on it, you will get sort of bits of food and that sort of thing on there, and you can get rust on it being cast iron. You'd want to season this in the same manner that you do a camp oven. We've got another video on how to do that, but what you'll find is because you're getting a lot of flames come through this here, that coating will burn off pretty quickly anyway. Just keep it as clean as you can. If you get rust on it, give it a bit of an oiling. Otherwise, if you're going to store it for a long time, make sure there is oil on it and you shouldn't have any problems. You can get these online at snowies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. Got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. We'll send you all of our latest and greatest information, or check out some of the other Ozpig products like this one down here.